How to create midplane in Solidworks. To create a midplane, select this face and press Ctrl and select this face, and then go to the command manager in feature tab, go to the reference geometry, click here and then select plane, and our midplane is created. Click OK and you can see our midplane is created. If we want to create a midplane between two planes, we can also do this. Click plane and it will automatically give us the midplane. Select these two faces and click on plane. It will give us the midplane. If we select these two faces from different parts, then it will also give us the midplane. We can create a midplane between any parallel face like this.